The most interesting part is that this customization can also be seen in our platform, which is where our client offers visibility to his client through InnovoHub. This is the way we customize the status of the operations for a client of our client who requested him some specific criteria to show some custom fields that demonstrate the current status of an operation. In this case, as you can see, for the warehouse receipts scenario, we have empty, on hand, and pending, exactly mirroring Magaya's statuses. But for the cargo releases or warehouse receipts that have some further process along the way in a shipment, also we have statuses such as picked and staged. The conditions here were pretty simple. The customer wanted that if an item or a product, a commodity, was already loaded into a cargo release or a shipment, then the status should be changed to picked. So that's how you can see here why this warehouse receipt says picked, and this is because the associated cargo release has products, of course, loaded onto them. So that's that cargo release would also show picked. Right? But then now if you go to the cargo releases, you have also the same column, same field, actually uses the same script, and this one will have a couple of different statuses, additional statuses, such as staged. Staged means at least one item, it's in a shipping or quality control location. So as you can see here, there's one item that is in a location type quality control. That's why it shows as staged. And then we have the loaded status, which simply updates once the cargo release is either in transit or delivered. And the reason why is because for our client, since it's a CFS business, the operations end in the door, right? But for his client, that's where the international part starts. So after picked and staged, he just wanted to see loaded to avoid confusion with the international statuses, right? So the most interesting part is that this customization can also be seen in our platform, which is where our client offers visibility to his client through InnovoHub. So as you can see here, we can add that column, right? The standard status column from Magaya, but also you can customize our own column, which is called custom in this case. We can just add whatever name we want to it, and then this column is gonna show us exactly that customization that we did in Magaya. So as you can see, pending, on hand, picked, empty, all those values that come from the warehouse receipts. So in Magaya, once those custom fields are created or edited or added, as long as I modify any of those transactions, in this case a staged warehouse receipt, this is automatically flowing through our platform from Magaya, and in this case we will be able to see it real time after a couple of seconds. Here's the stage already showing up here. So if I search now, it will include that staged warehouse receipt that in Magaya is in process, but in our custom status is staged. So this is done by just configuring in our operations config configuration at the warehouse receipt list. We can bring every single custom field and also provide give them a name, whatever name we want to, and also add them to the very different modules in our platform. Update, and then it will appear with that name in the same platform, in the same list. So I have a save filter there. I added the stage one because that one wasn't saved originally, and then you can see how I renamed that field, and now it says custom status. So of course I can now add it back to the table with that new name. And there you go. So that's how we managed to customize for this customer and his customer specifically what they wanted to see through our tracking and visibility platform and through customizations in Magaya, offering a customized visibility. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.